Alright, just landed. Well, not just landed, but got charged up at Amazon Hub. And on 9 miles, so really running really close to desperation. Actually in desperation already, but we're here and there's a charger and somehow it's gonna be all right. By a few hours I think I'm gonna have a full charge, maybe a couple hours. I'm thinking about doing some computer work here and seeing what's around, and then onward to Sacramento. Hopefully try to get there by 6 o'clock so I can get a meal tonight. I was really, I think, like, lucky that that guy, the CEO, this gentleman at the Tri-Delta Transportation in Antioch was kind enough to get me a muffin and some food, and then his colleagues brought me a drink. Oh my goodness, super kind. But here I am now. I got one muffin and a bag of chips, and I prefer that not to be my dinner, but let's see how this goes. All right, I'll just scan the area for now and see what I can maybe find or access. Don't want to charge my computer. You can see Elk Grove's got a lot of space in some areas. All right. Get it. Alright, I just got a meal from Safeway. I was able to ask a total stranger for a hot meal. I spent $0. I was walking around. I was like super nervous. I was like unsure this was going to work, and got my hands on some chicken wrap, and I was looking for something that wasn't too expensive. Everything was like, well, not everything, but a lot of things were like $5 and up. Couldn't really find anything that was like, you know, that was substantial at that lower range, and ran across this Italian style ham and pepperoni sandwich, 570 calories. If I can find a place to microwave this, it's going to be a hot meal. And yeah, super grateful. This like guy, I was like hovering around the checkout place looking at the candies and what have you, unsure, because there weren't a lot of people passing by, and some of these people were moving kind of fast, and I didn't have the opportunity to like really dive into it. But yeah, I asked this guy. I think he kind of like was like, what's going on here? But eventually, out of the kindness of his heart, he was able to, yeah, he helped me out, scanned it and everything, and whew, it was thrilling. Also, was scared that it wasn't gonna work, and you know, first first person I asked, he said yes. Super grateful for it. You, sir, just got me a hot meal tonight. Thank you. Okay, so I'm at Safeway, and this guy bought me this sandwich. This Italian-style ham and pepperoni sandwich. I was trying to find a microwave, try to get some hot meal tonight. I think I'm pushing my luck. I think I gotta just enjoy this meal. So here goes.
So for the cream, do you want me to keep it all separate or just pour some in this cup and then?
Yeah, you can pour some in the cup and then show pour some.
Half and half of it.
Yeah. I'll just start with the whole thing. So now, how long did it take to get your
Now I'm grabbing a
eyes
seat
done?
at
Is that
Starbucks.
white?
I did eyeliner and surprisingly it didn't take that long.
This thing
I've
is
done
sealed.
makeup like this in a couple of
You
years.
can hand and shake too much coffee.
I'm allergic to caffeine.
Oh, you like it done?
Yes, all the things you can't smoke.
No, I'm just gonna take our getting Leslie
Okay, so I'm at Safeway. Okay. So I'm at Safeway right now, and I was trying to get a hot meal. I think I was pushing my luck. I was super nervous. I was at the sandwiches earlier, and the prepared meals.
So I gotta go back and get some
And
basil, some cherry.
everything was like $5 and over.
Then they pull you back.
I was looking for something substantial, and super nervous. Eventually found my way to the Italian-style ham and pepperoni sandwich, and then I was hovering around the checkout for a while. But on my first try, super lucky, super fortunate with this. I asked the first person, and he obliged. He looked at me kind of strange, but then eventually he was like, he scanned it, and here I am, actually about to get an actual meal, thanks to some stranger. So, thank you Safeway, thank you Starbucks for your seating, thank you stranger. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and you're about to hang out with me as I enjoy this sandwich. Oh man, I'm like, I was nervous. Because, you know, who wants to get rejected, right? Who wants to get, like... That's a good sandwich. So good. And it's so good. Even more so that a total stranger bought me this. I guess we're not total strangers anymore. So good. Oh my goodness, so good.
No, wait. Well, you know how to get there, right? Sure. Maybe, sure.
Oh my goodness, that was so delicious. And that was the Italian style ham and pepperoni sandwich. Courtesy of some total stranger at Safeway. I'm out here, Sacramento, California, on a Tuesday night, 1 week before Christmas. Thanks for hanging out with me. And to wash it down with some Mountain Dew mystery flavor, also courtesy of CapCut. It is 6:18 p.m. I do not need caffeine, but you know what? In theory, I'm a grown-ass man, but oh my goodness, so good. Thank you.